Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to prep and finish a perfect seed bed using a Cultipacker. We all know, from basic gardening to commercial farming, there are lots of factors that will affect crop yield. But making sure you've properly prepared the seed bed and ensured good seed to soil contact are two of the most important things you can do for achieving success. After you're done with any disking or other tillage practice, the perfect seed bed should be firm and even and ready for seeding. And one of the best tools for accomplishing that is a Cultipacker. That's true if you're using a smaller Cultipacker with a compact utility tractor or a larger Cultipacker with a larger utility tractor. Here's a 1/3 acre food plot that has been disked, which left clods and crevices that don't make for a good seed bed. The solution is to go over it thoroughly. So before seeding, we're using a Frontier CP 1172 Cultipacker on a John Deere 3039R compact utility tractor. This 6-foot Cultipacker will break up the dirt clods and level and firm up the seed bed. It also leaves grooves in the soil that'll help retain moisture and help prevent wash or erosion. Then, if your seeding equipment doesn't have a rear Cultipacker attached, you use the Cultipacker again after application to press the seed into the seed bed, creating real good seed to soil contact. Now, the same before planting process is true with bigger equipment and bigger fields. Here's a 23-acre field we're getting prepared for seeding using a John Deere 5125R utility tractor and a Frontier CP 1512 Cultipacker. This 12-foot model is used to prepare the seed bed exactly the same as a smaller model, breaking up any remaining clods of soil, firming the seed bed, and leaving shallow grooves, again helping retain moisture and preventing wash or erosion. No matter the size, a Cultipacker is a simple tool that plays an important role in helping you maximize your crop yield. Frontier has nearly 600 implements that are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.